Alright, so in this video we are going to see how Process Builder can help you to send a custom notification to the business user. You know what is custom notification? Custom notification is basically what, as a user, when you log in, you get to see over here. Like if you see here, if you click on this, I got these are like this logged in user custom notification. Okay, so we'll see how a Process Builder can help to fire these custom notification to a particular users or set of users. Okay, so let's have a requirement. Let's have a business need first. So today's requirement is there's a team, suppose, whose job is to check whenever any opportunity get drop off, right? If any opportunity stage is lost, right, that means that opportunity is getting dropped off, right? So there is a team. Team name is team in the sense public group. Okay, public group. So team or public group, the team name is inquiry team. Now whenever an opportunity is getting dropped, right, if any opportunity stage is lost, then whoever is there in that team should get a custom notification saying, hey, this is the opportunity name is this opportunity owned by so and so user is been dropped, can you please go and check? Okay, this is what my requirement. So every single opportunity, when it gets drop off, there is a business users or a couple of users who used to go and investigate, right, what is the reason that the business has drop off that deal, whether the product is not good, whether the sales executive is not following up. This is one of the requirement that I just have implemented for one of my customers. The same thing that they wanted, and they don't want any email notification, they just want these kind of notifications, right? That notification says that opportunity name is this, opportunity owner is this, and got drop off, please go and find the reason. Got it? So we're gonna do this, we're gonna implement the same thing through Process Builder, and in order to implement this, we need to have three things in place. One, we need to create a public group. The public group name should be, let's say, inquiry team. In that group there will be a couple of people. Once the public group has been created, next we have to create a custom notification, and after that, once you're done with the public group and the custom notification, third is we have to create the Process Builder. Now this Process Builder will be responsible to fire the custom notification whenever an opportunity is lost. Okay, so let's get back to the Salesforce and see how to do it. You as an admin have to go to the setup, and here the first thing is what? Public group. So create a public group, give a name, same name that we have decided. I'll go to the new button, and the name of the public group would be inquiry team. The job of this team is to check why the opportunity has been dropped off. Okay, and the user in this group should be, let's say, only testing user. We have to go and test it, right? So I am making testing user as the user in this group. Done. Save. What is next? Next is we have to create the custom notification. So search here, custom notification. You see this option called custom notification. This is nothing but just a name. Okay, you just have to give a label of the notification. Just click on new button, and let's give a name as opportunity inquiry. Okay, and when you click on this API name is been selected by Salesforce, and it is asking you that whether to give the notification through desktop or mobile or both. I'm selecting both of this. So whenever the username testing user logs in through desktop, or we have a mobile application, right, Salesforce one mobile application for Android and iOS, if you as testing user logged into that mobile application through your username password, you will see the notification there also. Click on save. It is just you have to give a name of that notification. So I'm done with this opportunity inquiry custom notification creation. What next? Next is the Process Builder. I have to tell you something here. The best practice for a particular Process Builder is you should have one process per object. If you see here, opportunity already has a Process Builder created. We should not create one more Process Builder. Technically, I can go and create a new Process Builder on same opportunity, but as per best practice, we should have only one process builder per object. Now you can ask me why there are two opportunities. If you remember the last requirement that we discussed, we actually created this as an invocable process builder, and that process builder has been invoked from here, correct? So this is the main process builder. So one opportunity object will have only one process builder. Ideally that should be the case, right? See, whenever you create or update a record, your process builder will fire. Now if you have multiple process builder, it doesn't make sense, because your process builder, one process builder can have all your criteria, if and else, and at the same time it, let's say, lost. Suppose I'm opening this opportunity. Let's understand why I should have only one process builder, not multiple, right? So I'm opening this opportunity. Check this out. This particular opportunity process builder is checking if the stage is on, do this. If stage is lost, do that. Now at the same time, the opportunity status cannot be on and lost, correct? It should be either on or lost. Now if you create a separate opportunity process builder where you are checking if the stage is lost, and if you're creating this particular process builder to check if the stage is on, doesn't make sense, because that's the reason why process builder has this true and false thing. So you should have one process builder which will include every single criteria. That's the best practice. The reason is this. See, Salesforce cannot control which process builder will be invoked first and then after what. You don't have a control. If you have some dependent value, let's say you have two process builder. First process builder is looking for a value which should be coming from the second process builder field update. You cannot control that, because Salesforce cannot control which process builder will be invoked. And that's the reason why one object should have only one process builder. Okay, so in this process builder only, we will go and implement our requirement. What is our requirement? Whenever an opportunity is lost, this particular inquiry team should get a notification, right? So for that, I have already created the public group named inquiry team. I have already created the custom notification. Now all I need to do is go to the process builder and set an action which is sending a custom notification. Okay, so here I have to add the action over here, correct? So if I click on this, see, I don't have a add action button available here. Any reason why? The reason is this process builder I have to clone, create a new version of it, and then I have to update that new version of the process builder. So now this is the new version. I can update this. Whenever you clone and create a new version, by default the older version gets deactivated. Okay, so here I'm gonna add one more new action called send custom notification. Give a name, send notification to inquiry team. Select the notification type. In this type, if you remember, I created two custom notifications and I have to select the first one. For another demonstration purpose, I created the second one, but I have to select the first one, opportunity inquiry, correct? Now the recipient, who will actually receive the notification? Please check this drop down, because this is one question that you can expect in the admin certification. You might get a MCQ question where they'll ask you, out of this 4 options, who will not be able to receive a custom notification? You have to know the options. Okay, first is user. You can actually send the custom notification to a direct user, or owner. You as an admin can set up this custom notification to send the notification to the opportunity owner, or in this case, whatever the requirement that we have to go ahead with the group, correct? Group means public group, and you have queue. Queue means, right, the owner could be either a user, or it could be a group of people. So group cannot be the owner. That's why we have queue, right? So if you have a queue created, that queue also can be set up over here as a recipient. I'm selecting here group. My group name is inquiry team. So I have selected here inquiry team, and now there are two things here. One, what should be the notification title, correct? So let's say I'm giving a title as opportunity is lost. Please check. That's my title. Okay, and there's something called body, right? Notification body. What would be there in the body? So in the notification body, I'm writing hi, the opportunity name. I have to give here the name of the opportunity. How do I give it? So we have the same merge field that we had seen in the custom email template, right? Click on this merge field and select the name. So opportunity name I have selected, written hi, the opportunity name of the opportunity here, owned by, I have to give here the owner name. How do I give? So go to here, search owner, you get owner ID, right? We don't have to give owner ID, right? We have to give the name. So click this, because I have to select the name of the owner ID. Select here name. You get first name, last name. So I'm just selecting first name and I'm selecting also the last name. Okay, same thing, owner ID, last name, selected, right? So hi, the opportunity name of the opportunity, owned by opportunity owner, first name, last name, is lost. Can you please check? Right, that's the notification body, and ideally this is something that should come from business will let you know what should be the body and the notification title, and the target object is definitely opportunity. So I'm saving this. I'm done with the process builder setup, saved it, clicked on activate button. Now it's high time for me to go and test. How do I test it? So in order to test it, what I'll do is I'll go to an opportunity name OPP3. I have this opportunity created earlier. What I'll do, I'll refresh and check what is the current status. It was need analysis, and yes, it is still need analysis, right? So I'll go here and change the opportunity stage to lost, right? Because this process builder will fire whenever the opportunity is lost. I made the opportunity lost. I think there were a couple of other actions also which is already fired, like the account should be lost and all. Now how do I go and test the custom notification? If you remember, my notification went to inquiry team, and the inquiry team, that user name was testing user. So I'll go to setup and log in as testing user. When you log in as testing user, you will see the custom notification, because in the public group I had this user added. You see one notification that has came in the bell icon. Okay, so I got this as the notification. If you see here, my notification says that opportunity is lost, please check. What was this? This bold opportunity is lost, please check was nothing but the notification title, correct? And this is nothing but the notification body. Hi, the opportunity name OPP3 owned by Rajesh Chatterjee is lost, can you please check? Right, so this is a very useful feature, sending a custom notification. We use a lot in the real-time project, okay, to send the notification to either a particular user or a group of user through the public group. Got it? I hope this is something it's pretty much clear. I have a request to you, please follow the same to same screen and implement the same requirement. You please create a public group, create the custom notification, make sure you have a process builder created, and add this custom notification as your process builder action, and please test it. Definitely once you're done with the process builder creation, make sure you log in and test that notification whether it actually came or not. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video.